Hi guys, welcome to my channel. With today's video, I would like to show how we expect meditation to look like and what sometimes ends up happening when we actually meditate. So without further ado, let's get started. Today's the day. I'm doing it. It's going to be great. Earphones. Okay. Let's listen to it. I'm already feeling more relaxed.
Hello and welcome to this Back to Basics guided meditation for beginners. In the next few minutes, you'll delve into meditation with me as your guide.
Here we go. Okay, I'm doing it. Yes? Breathe. So tomorrow I have to go and pick up some laundry and then maybe... I'm thinking. Am I thinking? No, I'm not thinking. I wonder what thinking is. Just focus on your breath. Focus on your breath. And of course there are bells. Living next to a church has lots of benefits. You're closer to God, you hear the bells. I'm trying to meditate here. Hello? Oh. Probably shouldn't be getting upset. I wonder what Mark said the other day. Why did he make that face? This is so nice. I'm feeling so relaxed. Oh god, I'm thinking again. Stop thinking. next video that I want to make should definitely be about why I'm meditating and what kind of benefits can you get from this. Oh, I'm thinking again. Okay, just focus on your breath. Don't think. Don't think. Stop thinking. What are you thinking? Oh, come on. Wait, itch your nose. Itch your nose. Okay. Don't itch. Just breathe in and out. Here and now. I wonder, what should I do for dinner? Chickpeas sound like a pretty good idea, or maybe should it be lentils, or... wait. No. Keep breathing. Breathe in. Legs are dying. Okay, just don't think about legs. Just breathe. Keep breathing. It's okay.
When you are ready, let your eyes open and smile at the world around you. You have emerged from your meditation cleansed, ready for a fresh start in every part of your life. You have taken the first step on a beautiful journey.
Yep, I'm cleansed. So I hope I'm not the only one struggling, and maybe you could relate. This thing is by no means to mock meditation or anything. It's more to illustrate that sometimes we go in with expectations, and when those expectations are not met, we get discouraged. And I'm here to tell you that you shouldn't. Meditation is not perfect practice. It's not about perfection. It's about doing it. It's about being there. It's about living your life the certain way so that you're more conscious, you're more present. And this is what I hope to talk about here in this channel. I hope to be the grounding point, the place where you could come and be reminded of actually being present. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye!